A few months ago at Google I/O, we shared a broad range of breakthroughs to make AI more helpful for everyone. It can help us learn, it can help us express ourselves, and it can help us be more creative. And Gemini is the key to it all. All 6 of our products, with more than 2 billion monthly users, are now using Gemini models to help you. So you can get information faster in search, you can get more done in docs, you can get help in Gmail, writing an email, and you can start a chat with Gemini directly from the Chrome address bar. Now we're going to keep building responsibly and pushing to make sure Gemini is available to everyone on every phone. And of course, this starts with Android.
We want to bring all the improvements of an AI-powered OS to everyone. That's why Gemini is being built for Android scale. It already supports 45 languages in more than 200 countries and territories, and we're continuing to add more. It's available on hundreds of phone models from dozens of device makers. And I'm not just talking about flagship devices with the latest processors. We brought Gemini to existing devices as well, which means your Android phone keeps getting better over time. On Android, Gemini is available around the world right now, far beyond English speakers and a single market. And for some of the most sensitive use cases, like summarizing audio from a phone call or suggesting a helpful reply to an encrypted text message, we've pioneered on-device generative AI with Gemini Nano. It's the first time a large multimodal AI model has been optimized for a mobile device.
Now you can have a free-flowing conversation with Gemini. You can interrupt when you think of something important or change topics as the conversation flows. Gemini will be right there with you.
But let's start with Pixel 9's new look, our biggest Pixel design progression in years. We have 4 new phones, including the gorgeous new Pixel 9 and the reimagined Pixel 9 Pro Fold. And we've heard from Pixel users that just because they want a Pro phone doesn't necessarily mean they want a big phone. So for the first time, you can choose between Pixel 9 Pro and Pixel 9 Pro XL without compromises. All of our new Pixel 9 phones feature a completely re-engineered, sculpted design that's not only stunning to look at, but optimized for feel and hand, compactness, and durability. Thanks to the luxurious metal frame with its seamless rounded corners and the scratch-resistant, flat Gorilla Glass Victus 2, the Pixel 9 phones are twice as durable as the previous generation to withstand the inevitable accidental drops. Pixel 9 has an even brighter Actua display, and the Pro models use our Super Actua displays. Both are the best and brightest displays in their classes. Underneath that bright display, there's a new ultrasonic sensor for fingerprint unlock that's now 50% faster. And as we always do, we've developed a diverse collection of striking colors. Let's take a look at the magic inside of our Pixel 9 phones. Across the full lineup, they have some serious horsepower, with hardware that's designed and tuned right here at Google to get the most out of our Gemini models. The new Google Tensor G4 chip, our 4th generation processor, is our fastest and most efficient yet. It's designed to improve everyday use cases. So web browsing, streaming on YouTube, taking a photo, and shooting a video are smoother, with less of a hit to your battery. We custom developed Tensor G4 working hand in hand with Google DeepMind. So the industry's top AI research team is collaborating directly on the silicon for Pixel and optimizing it for Google's latest advanced models, including our latest on-device model. Pixel 9 is the first phone to launch with Gemini Nano with multimodality, the most capable on-device AI model ever shipped on a phone. In fact, it's 3 times more capable and sophisticated than the Gemini Nano model we shipped just 9 months ago on Pixel 8 Pro. And amazingly, we've packed in all this AI goodness while improving thermals and battery performance. We're introducing a new vapor chamber in Pixel 9 Pro, a more advanced cooling technology to make sure your phone can maintain peak performance even when it's working hard for you. And thanks to optimizations across Tensor, AI, and software, Pixel 9 phones deliver significantly more battery life than last year's devices. The entire line of Pixel 9s are also the first Android phones to include our new satellite SOS, so you can contact emergency responders and share your location even without cellular service. Pixel 9 Pro Fold. It's the pinnacle of mobile computing, so let's check it out. It's noticeably thinner and lighter than our first-gen foldable. When it's folded, it has the same size display as Pixel 9 Pro and comparable thickness too. It feels and functions like a phone. Then you unfold it, and Pixel 9 Pro Fold becomes something else altogether. An 8-inch tablet with a big and bright Super Actual Flex display. It's the largest display on a phone, and it's 80% brighter than the first generation. This big screen gives you so much more surface area for entertainment, productivity, multitasking, and content creation. With Pixel 9 Pro Fold, you're getting the best of both worlds. An 8-inch tablet for power users that turns into a phone you can fit in your pocket or purse. And you're getting the same Tensor G4 and 16 gigabytes of RAM to power great new features that are just for foldables. The big, beautiful phone screen pairs with NFL Sunday Ticket from YouTube TV. Check out the cool multi-view experience. And with split screen, you can multitask across different apps at the same time. While you're watching the game, open up messages to talk some trash in the group chat. And wait till you see what the camera can do. We'll get there in a few minutes. The new Pixel 9 phones are the only smartphones in the world built specifically to connect you to Google's AI models, both in the data center and directly on your device. Nearly every experience is enhanced by Gemini, Android, Tensor, and the Google services you use every day.
With Pixel 9, upgrades across that entire system come together to make every photo stunning. Take this image, for example. We've made improvements across exposure, sharpness, detail, contrast, tone mapping, and white balance. And the difference is remarkable, with more accurate skin tones, texture, shadows, and even better night sight for exquisite low-light shots. And we're bringing that same HDR+ pipeline to Panorama. Panoramas are a staple in mobile photography, but they haven't really evolved in years. We've rebuilt Pixel 9's Panorama mode, starting with the UI, which now intuitively guides your hand. Once you've captured the full scene, Pixel runs the photos through the full image processing pipeline for gorgeous, incredibly detailed panoramas. And by the way, the image processing includes night sight.
One of the biggest problems with group photos is how to include the entire group. Sometimes you end up taking a photo that you also want to be in. The new Add Me fixes that. So you can be included in your family vacation photo.
There we go. So I'm gonna pop over to that Add Me mode. I'm gonna frame up the shots. Make sure I include a little room on the right here for myself, and boom. Now, Shanaz, this is Jimmy Buckets. Please, I need add a little
Let's
me.
get
You
you
need to
in
add.
the picture. Let's get Kenny in the picture.
Let's go.
As you can see, the overlay, the augmented reality overlay is guiding me, and now I can take a photo. And now, if you both come over here, you will see that it is going to be processed in one single shot.
We started this journey 3 years ago with Magic Eraser, and we're continuing it today with the evolved Magic Editor experience using generative AI. Let's say we wanted to reimagine this photo entirely. I can just tap on the grass here and type what I want to see. What do you think, Shanaz?
How about wildflowers?
Okay, I like where your head is at. Add some color to this photo. So I'll just type in wildflowers.
It's still cooking, those wildflowers. Ooh.
Oh. Oh,
And
yeah.
all of our Pixel 9s also continue to push into new terrain for smartphone video. Pixel's video continues to make big leaps forward thanks to a computational video technology called dual exposure. In simple terms, it takes two exposures at the same time, one optimized for shadows and another optimized for highlights, and combines them to use the best of both in real time. So you get sharper, less grainy videos, even in challenging low-light scenarios.
Pixel 9 starts at $799. Pixel 9 Pro comes in two sizes, starting at $999. Pixel 9 Pro Fold starts at $1799. The entire Pixel 9 family is available for pre-order today in the US, Japan, and Europe.
Pixel Watch has come so far in just 2 generations. With Pixel Watch 3, we are bringing our best lineup yet. It delivers a gorgeous, iconic design for the first time ever in 2 sizes. We are introducing an all-new 45mm size that's perfect for people who want more from their watch. It gives you 40% more display and a 35% bigger battery. You also get a custom-designed, durable 3D cover glass and a brand new Actra display. It's our most advanced and power-efficient display. With up to 2000 nits of brightness, it's twice as bright as before, and it flexes all the way down to 1 nit in a dark room. Now, along with helping with your workouts and with your recovery, there's another special role that a watch can play. With the power of real-time sensing, it can be a powerful health and safety guardian and prompt life-saving action when every second counts, like a car crash or a bad fall. Today, I'm excited to share a pioneering innovation, a first-of-its-kind capability called loss of pulse detection. It's all coming together on the new Pixel Watch 3, starting at $349 for the 41mm and $399 for the all-new 45mm. All right, I'm equally thrilled to share our final product today, the new Pixel Buds Pro 2. Pixel Buds Pro 2 accomplished the difficult feat of improving audio processing and improving active noise cancellation, and doing it in a power-efficient way. Pixel Buds Pro 2 are $229, and we are so excited for you to try them.